Hey! Listen. Click the link in the description to see the price and see reviews from real users. Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, because I've got a tale to tell about the Peach Street Speedboil electric kettle for coffee and tea. Picture this: you stumble into the kitchen, bleary-eyed and desperately in need of your morning caffeine fix. But fear not, for this sleek, futuristic-looking contraption is here to save the day. Summary: in a world where every second counts, the Peach Street Speedboil electric kettle is the Usain Bolt of kitchen appliances. With its lightning-fast boiling time and easy clean design, it's like having your own personal barista on standby. Pros. Let's talk about speed, shall we? This bad boy can bring water to a rolling boil faster than you can say caffeine buzz. And thanks to its borosilicate glass construction, you can watch the magic happen without fear of it shattering like your hopes and dreams on a Monday morning. The wide opening makes it a breeze to clean, while the auto shut-off feature ensures you won't accidentally set your kitchen on fire in a caffeine-deprived haze. Plus, the cool touch handle means no more singed fingers when you inevitably reach for that second cup. Cons. Now, onto the not-so-sweet stuff. While this kettle excels at boiling water for your morning brew, don't expect it to double as a soup pot anytime soon. Its 1.7 L capacity is perfect for a few cups of tea or coffee, but if you're hosting a tea party for the Queen, you might find yourself making multiple rounds. Some users have also reported issues with the LED light malfunctioning over time, so don't be surprised if your kettle starts throwing a rave in the middle of the night. Conclusion. So, what's the verdict on the Peach Street Speedboil electric kettle? Well, if you're in the market for a reliable, lightning-fast way to get your caffeine fix in the morning, look no further. With its sleek design, fast boiling time, and easy clean features, it's a game changer for anyone who values efficiency in their kitchen gadgets. Just be sure to keep an eye on that LED light unless you're into impromptu kitchen raves, of course.